Hi, today I'm going to show you the position monitoring tab in the Rating Captain app. From this tab, you can manage your keywords on a given profile. Now I'll show you how to add a new keyword. When you click Keyword, you will go to a place where you can select the area you want to monitor. This can be up to 10 kilometers. If you want to track a map outside your range, you can also click Custom and select any area on the map that interests you or your client. This gives you full control over what you want to monitor. Here you can add the keywords you want to monitor, but you can also generate them using our advanced AI tool. This tool will automatically match the right words based on your profile and preferences. By selecting words by clicking plus button, you can easily select them and click Save, and then these words will be added to your personal list for monitoring. This will put you in full control of what is most important to you. This is also where you can closely check your position on specific days and see how your average score has changed as you take action on your business card. You can see whether your position is increasing or decreasing, which gives you a complete overview. If you want, you can also switch to an expanded view. It gives you the opportunity to check your position in detail and examine your competition. All you have to do is click this button, and then you will be taken to a place where you can freely browse the other profiles in that location. You also have a detailed explanation of exactly how it works when you click How Does It Work. If you'd like to learn a bit more going back to position monitoring, you also have the option here to share a link to your map. By clicking this, you can share with third parties or colleagues a preview of your positions, which will update with new data every day. If you want, you can even generate a quick report or go directly to your profile to change information. It's a really simple and intuitive solution that makes it easy to manage your data and collaborate with others.